At this year's AAT 2020 event, people can expect to see John Deere with a preeminent presence and participation at this event. We will bring in 2 international speakers from our Intelligent Solutions Group in the USA, and they will participate in the conference. At the exhibition stage, we are equally excited to be there as John Deere with a stand that you guys will be blown away with. We're going to theme it around our next leap forward into the future, into technology, adoption of precision ag, and also a theme around next generation. At the stand, we will have 3 main sections that people can come and explore, where we will have current agriculture and innovative technology solutions on large ag operations for big farmers with big equipment, but also on the smaller side with small ag equipment, we will have similar exhibitions of agricultural solutions. And then the most exciting piece is the future technology zone that we will have in the stage incorporated. And in this, we will have 2 guest appearances from some of the Agri Technica exhibitions that was shown in Germany. South African farmers today are faced with many challenges, from unpredictable climatic conditions that's ever changing, also a challenging economic and political environment in which they operate. We see more pressures on the cost-price ratio for farmers to run sustainable businesses. And to top all of that, they are competing on a globally competitive market. So there's many challenges that every participant in this global competitive economy is working on. And we believe that technology is the key enabler to that. South Africa's farmers are adopting technology to a very high extent, and this technology will help them to start building a database that they can use to make faster decisions. South Africa is a critical important market for John Deere. Its farmers and its industry, we believe, sets the pace for the growth in Africa. South Africa is best positioned in terms of agri-industrialization, where it's got a well-constructed ecosystem throughout the value chain. We would like to extend an invitation to everyone to come and attend this year's AAT and visit the John Deere stand and connect with our people.